Okay, hello. I just want to explain the quiz question number 10 that a lot of people had questions about because it is tricky. And we went over in class today, and we had talked about these types of problems before the quiz. But there are some students who did it incorrectly, and they did it incorrectly almost the same way. So here it is. Here's the problem that we had issues with. It's number 10 from the quiz. And as you can see, we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 7 times right there. And that right there, whatever you get there has to equal, so here's an equal sign right here. It needs to equal whatever you would get here in this problem. So you don't want to put your answer on the line. You want to put another problem, something times 2, and then the final answer will be what you would get when you add all the 2's up. So what do you have here? Well, you have 7 2's. And 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 7 times is the same thing as saying 7 times 2. So your answer there is 7. And then when you have 7 times 2, what's the answer? Well, that's 14. Now, do all these things equal? Well, they do, because when you add up 2 7 times, you get 14. When you take 7, that equals 7 times 2, which is 14. And 14 equals 14. So that should hopefully explain a little bit of it. I have another example to show you if you're still not sure about this problem, but you have how many 7's there? You got 7, or sorry, how many 2's? You have 7 of them. And 2 plus itself 7 times is 14. And that's where we got the 7 next door. 7 times 2 is 14, and then 14 is 14. So here's another problem. We have 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many 5's do we have? That's going to go next to times 5. And then the final answer will go at the end. So you have the equal signs between all those problems or numbers. And so 5 plus 5 plus 5, you have 3 of them. 3 times 5 is 15. So when you go back and look, does everything equal itself? Yes. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. And 15 is 15. So that's how those problems work, and we talked about it in class again today. I had maybe, I think about 7 or 8 do that exact thing. They put 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 14, and then 14 times 2 is 28. But 28 doesn't equal 14. 14 times 2 equals 28, but before that, the 7 2's, that's 14. So 14 has to equal 7 times 2, which is 14, and then 14. So hopefully that clears things up. But I appreciate the questions, and I know that it's frustrating to see something like that and then wonder what's wrong, because it does look right, but we have to have everything equaling itself. Anyway, if you have any other questions, please let me know, and thank you very much for watching the video.